shop. Why you want to work upon him? Well, my brother passed it to the pass to Mecca to a you. Oh, we should make the simple giver. Oh, I call Mr. Silva. And one of the way, not the way Thanksgiving. One of the way to go to tell me I said that in Nigeria. You must have more of you, one little lamb, the morning, one area will go here, all along. You must have where doom, one of the Thanksgiving, your name, Bishop, with I want to say that. I don't know if I go, it matter now, part 1, part 2, part 10, one matter now. One of Mama Lola life story, like this. Mama Lola in Zaragoza, life story. One of the big joy, one by one of him. One of the big joy, one man of him. EJ Lola in Zaragoza, and your life story with this. If you do well, we will okay. You want to prepare a blog, prepare your appetite, my post, and don't prepare any way. We are we may have to. If you do it, I don't know. So now, Yellow, where I want to start from your matter. Where I want to start from? Me start from Nigeria. Yellow, you say laugh me, huh? When I am a pitchy, you better say that. Yellow, let us buy to walk away. What was the number for the Sunday then? It's not maybe a mokpa. Now, why are you preferring to look at the power? What's one of them? One more letter.
Oh, Germany.
Let us know. So, tell us the way they want to talk about it. You want to buy internet TV. When I do video yesterday, you know what you buy internet? Now, where you like it. Not take back joy. Mama joy. Mama joy. Ne, I could be Kia or Bokula Louis. Let's go there. How will I matati solve for the matter? How is I could be Kia no one. Not take joy. I Lola, I matati solve yesterday. You know, I don't know the message you will know. You're not the debate.
Share the video.
You know what? Welcome, Ogunai. You're not to reply. You're not going to.
I want your cash back.
For you between your mama joy.
All this back. Focus now.
She go.
My balance, man.
I
get up where?
You go, money. Me, I'm not coming. You purchase.
No, I've been my
for my boy. My go for long. May go or call him. Mama, you joy it. Which is easy to lie around you. I'm on you. You joy it. You Lola. Away. More time away here. Ira, tell to guard him away. I'm going to enjoy. No, enjoy so. I could be white. I could go. Tell me what I was taking. I am not your mate. Ewa. I could be Ewa. I could be no one. Ewa. I did my way. Ewa could be. You know that to wear. Who bought me? You know, not something.
I know you can everything here. I know you live 43 years. What can you give? Oh, how do you walk with me? Umenwan. Exact. You may have a condemned women and not let. Shock our leg. Are you going to buy you? Got my few up. Got to go.
That's it.
What's up, Bessa? I saw them. I will do. Now, I'm just here at the boss. Remind me. Bác sĩ ơi, bác sĩ nha. Exactly. Vamos a. De quoi il va y non, avec ça. Avec ta mère. Mais la vidéo, ça. Vamos a. Oh. Dola wala. Rako kalima wa.
Now, this is the same Lola now. What's the man saying? Me like that. You me who will come to Zaragoza. You me who will church every pastor maker Zaragoza. You me who way. What's the man saying? Me like that. When I see pictures, what's me pictures taking a go on. Pictures taking go very women. Or you me wait see, eh? You me all walk your way up. Oh, what do you got to wood, eh? Oh, yes, your way home. I ain't with you. Pictures taking go see. When I see pictures. It depends on what where. It's some trouble. You will go for more. Bobby, some trouble. What the man say? Someone was under Rajan. What the man will you mean that then? Who is so? You mean the one you will call. Now, this is your joy. Well, so you went. There's the same I like you. You give me a toname.
Oh, I know.
Don't you accept your joy? He did Lola, and he did joy. To my own, he did joy. I could be here to take joy. Now, popularly known in Spain as Juliet Abu. Hello. You don't like video. But when I see me, I want to show my way like that.
This guy is shooting me. I don't know if he's shooting you too. The way this guy is shooting me, if he's shooting you, if he's shooting you, say hi. If this guy is shooting you, the way he's shooting me now, let me see you. Give me love and like, thumbs up this video. Share the video. Now let's fish. Hello. Hello. Please share this video. I happen to share the video. Share the video. I don't know that while I chop and the yam and bolo. Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am. Thank you very much, ma'am. I appreciate it. Hey, yo. Where are you going now?
I never said that. What about the man?
This body didn't nourish me.
When the German in Nigeria, boy out.
Boy out to where?
It's just a single log I could be. It's a joy. It's a taboo. You're a single log, boy. Oh, the German are daddy. Hey, Yakukon. Can you imagine now? Oh, another one way to give way. chege lola no wa yo la yo kan kere we kwa tara ko sani me yo lola bia de betere me yo kere yo lola bia ne me yo kere
Ama le bia be hon kere.
okay
Oh.
ça ti ano ya deji ça to baro na deji iyo ba ni awu ubaga ega na dafe Jennifer na wu that time o dafe Jennifer na wu ya je near it ban we no kini baba man and that is about 18 19 years ago we baba okay 6 years o mo we mak me nia we ya mulaje we no ma ya okay Egwa Mr. Sonifu oni wafu okay ami me phone ologo okay paso me kama yeye me ka yeye akabo paso me ka yeye akabo
Ha?
ya mare be gani
Ya gunje.
Iho to owa aton izakusa wa aton abi ke bo are abi ke pe
Nobody call am.
Papa no go wa no go Nigeria o papa na wo Jennifer awo Jennifer papa na awo Jennifer awo Jennifer go Nigeria mi wa na mi ya de ni ere ban papa me ni ka ni o ye Nigeria na se wo wa o ti uji ya so si uji ogbe uji na o ti on uji ogbe o be la bi je yakin ya te gbe Epa no nya Africa store no ma me ba o be la bi je yakin o ti anu ti no me fabrica no ma le por fabrica be sa de terue o ti no ko no ma le po o sa de terue oje just now me ma ya gbe I don't know them now I don't know them what the man ya ele ga ni ajere ban ga ni no wo pe ne awo Jennifer wona se ti wo wa ye obi ma o kare Nigeria o to ne pe no ti o no uji o pe ya to ba ya hin e Jennifer pare UK ne self Jennifer pare UK ne uji no you know the pot at one time o ti uji no to tabo gbe yeah Epa sero la cosa wari bobo o wari bobo oh wa igba gbegeje lola iye lola no bie mo nikan na ona mo ge idahosa baba la igbeje lola oh suhungu ona bie nikan na mo idahosa oh wa lola se lola mani le idahosa le bo le gbe lola mo to we mo ari wa una ya mo go yu lola hun be Nigeria baba la we bo mo yu lola hun pass here, me no why here be like me. Oh, well, we just joy. No, be on the ground, because I'm not going to get out, I'm going to do. Me, what you want to pass America? America is not one of them as American church again. Where who be this woman? Look, my best sister. Nekwemu. When I did not feel to have you. Oh, so I go to the Hosaba. Go back to what could be the motion. Oh, I was born like me. No, I'm so going to go. I'm not going to have me now. I have me now. I was born like me. If ever part of a training, when I pass that out of it, in Yaku, Yaku, yes, not to major now. Tatachi Aune. On my schema. A book like a Nigerian, I'll be a guy back on Macone. But I don't run Macone now. When I was called Radaba. Ah, man, you know, that's so Ijima. Ijima, and Ijima, I will call Radaba. I can't live with you. No man, Africa, so look out, after the salute, or look out, because another. You know, not that. Oh, it's just said, Lesia. You know, don't get Porto Venecia, email in things that was done here. Porto Venecia, you don't know. Oh, so well.
Porto Venecia. Papa Venecia, Mother Venecia. You are a disgrace.
You are born like me.
You see all these shameless women? Oh.
As a joy. Well, give me what we need, man. It's only if we make that story, may have been two story I have been joy. Oh, I really man what I'm for you, who knows about you. Two story may have been.
What do? What don't more? What do? Lauda Ramio. I again, Yaya Sumu and Europa. Yaya da. If I boy like me, I'm so young with me. I know him, no. My back here. I'll teach you. Udazi. Now, my people, I I'm going to enjoy the very diagnosis. No, so now what I tell no, because what I'm going yeah, but you just one as well. Two of them are fighting themselves. So unfortunately, on his road, on a year's old again. You see, social media is something else.
My husband sleep bedroom.
Gunu, I asked actually, man. There are more. I'm my love, good. When we are supporting, I believe one. That's the reason why I will still remain the one man squad of social media. The man that will say the way it is without fear or favor of anybody. You understand? Now let me go and figure myself. All these women, and I don't get what they want to talk about me. au level. Iye je ladian. Gbe. Ewe ya uyego. Ewe ya uyego. Yego wese. Ge mu wa ni ne. Wese. Ge ngani. Alalwe. I could not let him from Kamaza. No, I'm a yego. Now, you see the problem with all this old cargo is society. Asigidi or warrior, including Esoy. They couldn't speak the truth because they belong to the same society. Ashigidi. I do my drink. A society where you belong to, where you cannot tell your own fellow brother the truth about him or herself. That courtesan is a demonic courtesan. Yes. You see, if now me sit down this part of baller for this present a body, I will say the way it is without fear of anybody. Whether the person my picking or whether my person my brother, I go knock on the way the thing be. I will bring out the truth that many outsiders, many people where they inside house, they want here. Because a lot of people where they indoor hear this whole scenario between me and Michael. They know where the truth they now. They know where the truth they. Yes now. You see why this part I bust now because of see Michael sees my house. To say she not sees my house. 2 years for not hear this matter. 2 years for not hear and I say keep on secrets. If I say it's secret between me and she. But because she knew what she was doing, it was a plan war between she and Abiyewa and his brother. Because Abiyewa then they use them so. They believe that they use Abiyewa. But Abiyewa they also they use them. Abiyewa they left the whole world now. This shame and disgrace will enter my go body now because of Abiyewa. You know concerned because of my go. Now me and Abiyewa get what I miss. But out of the hatred which she get from my wife, she shook her for inside. She can't forget, see, me and you don't want two things. She get her belief, see, because I buy land for her hand. I know if you come across Sagaha. She can't forget what to say, me I not send anything. If I tell this drink where I drink, so I value and pass that house. Where I don't use my IDC. Where I know without 10 years to come up, I'm going to step my leg on that house. This one will just keep me company, so it's more important than that mansion where you get for Nigeria. That will be a yahoo or a fee. It cannot marry or a girl boy. See this woman wake by yesterday morning. Princess everywhere good. They are so rest in peace. Yeah, bring that picture. Come, let's have that picture for you. But don't be here for that picture. I'm not be here for that picture. I just hold on my phone. Many of you know princess everywhere good for this Italy. All these are old mama yash. That year, everything deal with them. She get money, she carry things to go Nigeria. Today, where is she? She's no more. All those houses which she get for Nigeria now. All those works which she get for Nigeria. Who want in return? The picky will get for abroad, you know, go Nigeria, go drag party. Never. Maybe say person they abroad not build us for Nigeria. That person they build us for Nigeria. Not to the stage of that country right now. The way it can't be now. Tell me, where all the money? The so-called mama go na Ovivier. When I ask her the last time she don't visit Nigeria. The 4 flat which they brag, which they show for who? See how person stay dumb. You built 4 flat now phone for the CMO. You have never stepped your foot on that house. All this one they brag. I see that their document. Document where you get what things they do. These are your wallets. Me will never get document at the board. You know, we are not fish you can enter. Princess, everywhere I could get passports. Where is our passport now? Passport when people want by themselves. Document when you become leak to we don't die. You go because of document they leak. Just to make the woman they happy. Which will get free mind to follow you. You go do all manner of things because make the woman for come. Because once they come, they happy. That's German woman for you. Because for Germany, their document they say quikus. So when you get document for Germany, you need to dig quikus. Anyhow, you go to make woman come, use and make her come. After all that I've done, it's still what? Vanity upon vanity. Imagine people when they find wahala. When they fight. When like peace. They die like chicken. Each and every day. People with the borrow follow everywhere. They still they live to drink beer. I want you. Hello. Good morning. I must greet you out. Talk loud, no, hear you. The voice not loud.
Question I want to ask.
Why?
Does it mean that all this society, when the mama is okay, they live in it? Does that mean they only forbid something for us?
All right. I don't know.
I think that the society is meant for our trust me. I don't just understand.
Okay, I will explain. To my own point of view, I will explain. Thank you very much.
Okay, I finish. I like to make that sorry for Europe. If you marry your woman join one society or the other, and that society, you are a man, you do, or that brother, or that woman is an adulterous woman.
Thank you.
Your woman society, or that you are dead and not living. That's my contribution.
Thank you.
I wish to you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Even though say pay this 1 month, you must go. I don't want to pay. I don't fit one.
So according to what our brother talk, he said if you date society, if you marry a woman, the woman in this society and you or God in that society leave that woman. You understand? You get point for them. That's one. Two, the other way around, you can also change the woman from that society. Yeah. Love covereth multitude of sin. If you genuinely love the woman also genuinely love you. The woman can make any sacrifice for love. You understand? That one number second there. Then another question, the first question we ask, this society with them, mama go, pit toilets, so this is all this society with them, which is asigidi. You see whether they are asigidi, whether they not get what they forbid. That's a very good question. They figure what they forbid. Maybe they forbid adulterous. They figure what they forbid. Maybe they forbid to the lie. Because let me go close to this society of a thing where all these women did so. Now, how all these women join this society? From the beginning, from the upset, they were not willing to join society. They joined this society due to traveling process. As they want to come abroad, many of them join Asigidi. Many of them join Asakwekan. Many of them join Ogidian. Asakwekan and Ogidian are the same thing, yeah. So due to see the one carry they come abroad, they join all the society. Now, if I think deeply, carry you come abroad, come to Ashawo, they go use you join society. The woman where they carry you come, now they say Asakwekan, Asigidi. You where they carry come, you be Asigidi. That same Asigidi sister where carry you come abroad, will carry you here, put you for road work, make you do the show. From there, he go to use you, they maltreat you like slave. He go to maltreat you like slave. Your own fellow Asigidi sister. 85% of all these women where they are abroad, they did one or two courts before they come abroad. Some of them, their clitoris, their pubic hair did anything to shrine. Their Christy de shrine. Their nails, their eyelash, eyebrow, all of the day shrine. just to take lay course, take oath, in case they don't want to pay madam, they want to leave madam, rather, they want to give madam to Ogbalebe. These are the things women for our women do. They embark on while coming to Europe. That's why they don't fear anything. Or some of all these women. So, not all, some for inside. You understand? Then you imagine person like Mama Eguna, that want to confirm. Confirmation code. Okay. This whole scenario come up. This, what's it called? This woman here, Iye Joy, was biased. It was biased because of the song where I give her, the song I see the worry. See the skip for her head. He used the head to carry that person load. Yes. From the upset, I don't have issue with this woman. Our page that got monetized today, and I may teach his son how to monetize the page for her. She always called me and begged me for help. And I've been rendering my help to her. I've never gotten a pin from this same major. This adulterous Lala wife. Why should they support what's it called? Ma Ego? Because she said the same thing. She's married to Olala, she's having children for Epa Eddie. Now my people, they say Mama Joy come up and start supporting, defending Mama Ego because the guy issue with Frank Victor. This one within my screams here, so this one came out to stand for the way of the truth. She came out. That's why she's still stupid on her own side. Nobody they watch her because she's just an idiot. I don't know when until they cook for your children. Because from morning to night they always live with you. Till daybreak they always live with you. But I live by anymore. You understand? She's just there, sitting down there, boy. You understand? Even she coming to my house will testify. That she come to my house and make the cook. Because she don't even know how to cook. That's the truth. She don't know how to cook. Even this Christmas and New Year, a lot of presenters go on kitchen to cook, to prepare food for their family. They put some of their on live video. And then if you see, one of our sister, Kobiri wife, cook a goosey soup, be like goosey stew. You understand? Now here all of us witness different food, including Yori, they cook. Many of our women go to kitchen, they cook, they showcase to their family. You understand? You see where this or there for cook? No. You see where Mama Joy for cook? No. These are the people that will come from media to talk, including me, more. On New Year, they are enter kitchen, cook any damn food. The old children, my family, everybody will eat for the house. I be the caterer that day. I think I was saying relax. I put on live, not see. Let me see what I talk for story. Let me see what I talk for math. But see all these women. Now, woman will watch for man they worship, them they worship. Woman will watch and you will do it for her. You don't look back. If ever they call you woman rapper, you be slave to. I agree. If I don't be slave to my wife, who I can't be slave to? All men are woman rappers. That's not rapper with the cover body. The rapper with the cover body for nice. Now you get them. Now you body wear. Because you be woman rapper, you can use a cover body. So if person laugh you say you be woman rapper, I cannot be insult. Understand? So you imagine all these women now. They enter all this cultism before they come abroad. And at the end of the day, they'll come here. They do all manner of bad things. Things that go against our customer tradition. Now inside there, you go see married woman go take oaths for this same their society. You go leave your husband, come abroad, call the do a shower. They'll call her, you don't like my war. I don't mind drink. Now, small moment, I'll share the video.
Yes,
This matter will not Russia. You get well.
very narrow.
Let's go straight to Mr. Updates.
That's okay. Very narrow. Listen. Old cargoes. See them all. This number one at the see here. So when the Mumu let take care, we wear yellow, whatever. So this one a 58 years old woman. Why the other one, Mama Ego, about 62, 63 years old woman. Also the old cargos. Wabel old cargos.
For national peace to reign.
Baba with the smile not good. They can't get when you not rest. Since Baba with the smile leave you, and then she the man. Baba with the smile not good. They can't get when you not rest. Since Baba with the smile leave you, and then she the man for that side. More than 2 months now. Every day go with the party family come out. Every day. Everybody, all of them don't rest. The old women don't rest. She not rest. Ekia 1 or 2. On a Ekia day, Umenwan 1 or 2. Okay, perfect. The way they Nana, she don't lose 2 boyfriends. He don't lose Bright, he don't lose Fran Vito. And now the 2 now see they make her they come before Wahala. I say maybe not like me. Frustration.
That guy now, what did they pay me for? He said when they post that guy picture now. That guy never tell me one thing. I inside the guy phone and me carry everything. And Mama love Live TV. Everything when I want to come talk for live, if you know, if I want wait, if you don't bring out down or me come out that guy innocent picture, you know get what he do you. That guy say you voice this morning, you never look and go look the voice we send for you. You send the guy voice, you send that the picture where you man down, you're not responsible.
Not responsible, but you not say that brick see the pain now. Ekiani ye
I'm not a responsible woman, but I love Live TV. I want to talk to you now. You not be responsible, you not the responsible.
When I share this video, me I confess. This year is a year of confession.
You bring my picture, you never tell you they bring another ex-boyfriend again.
Just imagine. Different boy we don't fuck like they bring their come out.
Mama don't Live TV. Bring your husband picture come out.
Bring your husband where he born for children and the one where he born 1 pikin for. Bring your picture come out. Now what beg you when wapu mua. Mumu let the can live ho abi paplona. Igbiagiazan. Okono travel ya we kia vitali we kia be benjo. Old and sis woman 57, 58 years now this year she complete 58 years. 58 years old woman.
I beg when I look picture when Mama love Live TV post. Whether you know resemble his first son. A 58 years old woman. You they look for small boys they go. The person where he post, now you go there fuck for Italy. Mona Luca, it no good. You dey disgrace yourself. That boy not when I go that boy house, he buy new bed. Now I say, you just buy new bed. He say, yeah, the one way get those scatter don't true. I mean, I don't know so that Mama love Live TV go scatter.
You see how so? As this is big body, they go scatter bright bed for house. Then you expect me bright to buy new bed. See if you come again. Bed where the guy suffer bad, you break him. The guy also money buy another one. Then you expect me invite you come. Make you Mariana. I go disgrace you this moment. Who let the guy leave? You not go see any boy when they fuck you again. Not too much.
That's why when you say me will come swear Mama Lord Live TV, come at me will come swear now. If now this guy tell me your matter or now me pack up by myself, now you use your mouth tell me. The day when you give me your husband number, Mama Love Live TV, the day when you give me your husband number, I know what your husband tell me. I know what your husband say make I tell you where you go break.
So you may go bring DNA for the children. He said, go bring DNA for the children. What are you DNA? You
now what you will consider me say, Mama Love Live, they say it demand on the ask of your children.
Yeah.
So I have to go through that matter. That man said all those children not be children.
Okay.
Mama Love Live, they know that children may go bring DNA because don't wait the answer.
Okay.
We cannot call the children.
Okay.
So there is no advice.
Yes, but people are great to know better style. Now this particular spot now make me say I want to analyze this video. You start concerning this DNA test of the children where he born for Boloko. You see, because people agree to know. They will not say because we know some molest lolly not good. Yeah, it's a very useless woman else beside. But inside there, so God, I believe say you and this woman are gonna come from Libya. We are born destiny for Libya. We carry destiny cross Matarana Sea enter abroad. So all the way from Libya up to now see this is still born again. You know, call this woman say, oh madam, give me DNA test. Yes, sir. You didn't request for DNA test from her. Now the dates all these years they come. Till the children don't involve inside. Now you want to say make you come bring DNA tests. Especially now the children will walk, they don't big. She don't get barrister, they don't get documents. She don't get lawyer, you don't get the commissioner. You want to request for DNA test. My brother, I will advise you. I will advise you big time. You see this woman with your children, just let them be. If you need your pikin, these children don't really mature already as they are. They will be adults. Call them by yourself and go and do the needful. But say me you can't ask this woman because this one a wala woman, na mogu, na ozo. You go let bring your picture come and call it sort you, and the highest you can do with that one. So I will advise you to avoid that insult from her. Because if you see her, you're supposed to know that this woman is frustrated. She's depressed. She's devastated already. She's already confused. You understand? You will see her now. She tell me say 3 years now, I never knock. And what did she tell me? Only say, he did knock me in 2023. This woman come to my house December 14, 2023. Now she come to my house. And mind you, she said the date bride 2022. You see how this woman lie? She told me, see, 3 years now, she never knock. She come to my house 2023. 2022, according to her, she was in Bright House in Verona. The same Italy. But I venture to say, you leave my house, you go Bright House. Oh God. Or you leave Bright House, you come to my house. You see something like if I look her, I will just look her lifestyle. I will just nod my head. And these are mothers. These are mothers. I be young and that people will see mommy, mama, the mama, they will give a card when I come to stay for occasion. See the marriage with this woman for the year the child day of the occasion. Also, not the marriage now the same as they can enter for Facebook. What do they call her? I forget his name. Shame and disgrace, amazing. And her husband, where he stand as Yowa, where the Lalo, you be one of Madrid, Don Moscow stand as Yowa. Look at day to day. That marriage is gone. That marriage is gone. How can old women like this they cry for pride? How God, why? What's the happen to our women say? Because they imagine me. How can the people like this when you see as a role model? Look at the way they are feeling themselves. Imagine you go to war as that one just big rich. Who see I'm going to see now kind of better person? You understand? Now let me with that kind of background. I know say on I don't level for this one. Because he went but on it. He went there. She know. Yesterday, because I come and say I don't get the pictures. Or I need pictures. My woman already deleted me and not post them. All those things we are deleted, I still go retrieve them back again. Susus don't fall and say, I'm out you go. Say you go tell and say me I not do anything. Say you go tell and say me I not do anything. Me I can play all my videos for our house. Me I can play all my video we do for our house. Me I can show na Maigo Street. The street of Maigo. And they drive in picking bicycle. They do live video, they go for street. Make your husband come, make them identify their house. How do you live fake life? That's the truth. What I not do, not talk, I'm not proud. Can't come here, come to solo, don't use money price, I don't know. I'm mad. The only person where I ever make one statement for about, and I still come for live, the content of the book and say, I never see this one for Grammy, I never do anything. That be the Murphy wife. You understand when the Murphy make that statement that I say I did fuck my boy. Now tell us not believe my boy, you your wife and the fuck your wife. But for real, I'm not doing not because I'm the Murphy wife. We are not getting anything to do. But the rest, every other woman we are not mention their names here. It's true. But if you see them on social media, you see I'm a better person than me. They are very useless. Very, very useless. And not the right home about. I'm a lawa, I'm a boy. Imagine this one's a big rich with big breasts, big belly. It's just a tough lap, a lap tier. I arrive value. Oh, here I'm party, you like tomatoes. You know what I mean? I should go come live video. You go only talk. What do I tell? Boy, I'll do, I don't joke. So for the DNA test, if you be a woman, or you say you know, say now this man, you're clean. You are clean. Go do give your husband DNA test. And stop the make noise like you. the hours they stay on live video, they spend how many hours they talk. You go reach to go do DNA test. And Lovett, try. When you see the bath, very important. Try the bath at least 1 or 2 times a day. It's very important. And not to carry hair long. If I don't continue to lose that hair, you will not lose that hair. Thank you for your life. A big congratulations to Lovett. Don't lose hair. Don't lose that hair. Come on, join. Come on, join. Do. Very sorry, eh? Do, my dear. Sorry for the saga, okay? Not easy. I feel no pains. Not easy, man. It's very, very difficult to cope with all those kind of saga. I feel now. I don't eat over video. I don't eat for the day. I'm sleep. Now they worry me now. So I'm going to call this live video. I go sleep. If I sleep at least like 2 hours, I need to wait like 2 hours sleep, steady things. And after I wake up, or more, will it come to meet Iego? That's if I wake up, with a good live video for YouTube. Yes, today go sweet. Today we'll do live video for YouTube. We'll describe everything about Iego today. We'll talk many things. We'll bust many codes. We'll piece for their piece. We'll piece for their gem. We'll spoil their gem. You understand? Today we'll spoil their gem. We'll piece for their piece. So get ready, Usazua's family, home and abroad. You understand what I'm saying? Say young B, you feel me? I do my drink. I want y'all. Big man will not get money. We're not the dash person money, sir. What is my fans this new year? They not give me anything. I said I want to do it good. Only few for inside. What God go bless. Now I will give money. Say take buy around to buy chicken. Now you sit down and use my life to do work. Many of them they work now. Put earpiece for here. And they use my life to work. Want go reach like this now. Collect money finish now. I'm gonna call the flesh and low. And now come me so me and far move together. Move flesh. Now two bottle me studio with me move drink beer. No, not the fear. I don't say me now flexing man. I don't get time. You see all these people when they cry like motorway sink suit. Which means they cry because they don't say the ball man, they ball the ball. I will get ball with the ball the ball. No, it's not the story. They know now. So all those one will come. They'll come out, they'll not finish, they don't want to come out. Who say peace day? Peace is real now, understand? This woman, a married woman, that died yesterday now. Princess everywhere good. See body where you carry go grand now. See body, see everything, breast and everything. You know most say, bah, just like that. God, this life is not easy. You know, people will just do okay, then they die. You imagine? I just see they sick, and they tell you now when they bleach. No, they stop all this bleaching. Now they this skin where God give you go pina. You call it like you let and you do here Oibo like D. You know, not be Oibo. You get D black. One of the eat well. One of the carry things for mind. You will invest for your neighbor. All this high blood pressure, cancer. It's now real. This in the work. Not the year. When I do my drink, I don't drink. I'm saying a joke. See my life now. I don't drink. I don't enjoy. You know. When they fuck to not the year. So I say, I not the pity to do. Fuck pussy. Your body go deal where your body go deal. The woman not say yes, he touch something. No say because they clear many things. Because they clear many things for body, don't know if you understand. By the time of this thing, I go say this boy too spoil. Not even spoil. It's good to enjoy what's good. This boy too spoil. You go to lick ice cream. Ice cream not be sweet things. Don't know sweet. The way they lick ice cream, if I give them a chance, when they wash me now, I feel lick ice cream for every day. Because it's sweet, I mean, that's what it's supposed to be. If you shop to do every day, don't stop it. Don't fear. Okay, go to knock your wife anyhow. Don't pity your wife, say that my wife not married, go to do a sick. Give her a stupid doggy anyhow. Whip her anyhow the way you like. Blast her. Or guy you like can die. Use your wife turn to the show for your room. Make your wife turn to the show for you. Turn your wife to the show for you. Now can the way you like. Blast her. Hang the leg for ceiling. Give her a ta. At least one day take off for work. Say today we'll die here. If you don't go square, we want to start. From toilet to side bedroom, side kitchen, side garden. Whip her. On the talk, they look me. Say when you hold your wife, whip your wife with. I don't mean you slap her, beat her more. I mean whip her with your rod, with your weave here. Use a whip her. Say women not like her, like her, die. I'm responsible. Nobody will not responsible. When it comes to sex, nobody's responsible. Everybody's useless. You see that way, that rod is full. Guess what? Once you don't do it like this, if that rod, you're idiot. It's very useless thing. Sometimes I go to toast my life go to stand. I go ask what I come with the Christ. I'm going to toast. Why they stand? You relax me at toast finish first. Before you the reason. You understand? Very important. Well, they enjoy life for nothing to do this life. I see people where they back. See my guy, my old guy, Marcel, Marcelo. You understand? Today I go myself. I said, don't go. You don't go. Tell me why I will forget that person. Guy man will be saying, guy man, I mean, that jam, me we come good. We can go find daily bread. Abroad, where man say don't go. See everywhere stew, everywhere good TV. I don't first for this live video. No. Because everywhere good. I don't first you don't first sagara. You don't come now. You don't get down. You don't give yourself woto. Today now we experience everywhere good. It's already rest in peace. This social media, I'm not believe Frank. When I will bring someone to come out, they'll say Frank and lie. And lie, Frank. No. Use dead body to do prank. I don't do that kind of prank now. I don't do prank now. My wife not a prank. Now know me. Post the picture this morning, all of them say I lie. See how they talk, I talk. I'm not kind of talk. Don't go. May I so rest in peace. He pay me. Don't be lie. I wish I feel get magic. I feel just to resurrect all of them now. Gang. I will do one. But God knows the best. It's so painful. Such a. Once it has come to sing music. You can't sing music. I don't want to hate people. Since when this girl do live video, I never share a video one day. But he done that, I'm going to post a picture as well. You understand? They don't want to I make Benin say they don't want She did live video, she did the social media, they sing song, they do music, they talk the thing there. But the way you do, don't go to restaurant, go to chop rice. I'm not sharing one day. Are you wouldn't know I share a picture? Mogo. If you're not the animal boy, Apple boy. Oh God. I made the picture go viral. But the guy do music, I don't even share it. I never play the music. The music for go viral. The way I play the music, I call it Sagara. God have mercy. May so rest in peace. Baby, me I drink. See our young pastor, our actress, Lady Sharon OKPAMEN. As if I finish, now I don't still go now. Even if I don't forget her, maybe I not forget her. Still in my mind. You understand? Fine, sorry, what we say? People, person your husband, person your wife. When you go to nag with that style, you go to bring I come and they nag them, go to scream. Today it's no more. Those breasts now and touch up. Those quickos now and touch up the quickos. And you see people for this abroad not get boyfriend, not get girlfriend. Frank the friend, all those old women. Boys did not they find girl, not see. That girl around they follow me. I will see my man there alive. Now my man for question. I tell me. Why is that old cargo is crying for my life? Why am I attracted to old cargo? The young girls go see me with trophies. Old cargo go say, Epa Dama. People reach mommy. And they come here, Papa, I want to apply Pala. Epa Dama, old cargo, old meat. From you was say, I could use the TOI for me. They use the TOI for me. Bad guy. In fact, you didn't know the dictionary. Anything to do, if I can make you. Why I make you, I am when you want it. Now we go, where the you can bass, or my move, or my brother Udin. You go now, you will talk on a women coy. Frankly, and you with him, Udin, you go back what who him, Frank will not bow you. Hi, Baba. Frank, you are a calm person. You can serve full community. Without the way you can. Mais on a dit, He go massa. Na mu ye go na me buto gbi. Who does he? When I tell you ye go na vwe buto. Na go hoy. Na mu ye kidu. Na ye go hoy. Umenwa udin. Ona ba meji. Arewe. Mumule te ki ale dia wodi ye gba. Ama we big thing ni mo like. Enwa. He wa yire no. Ora ya yi. If you are looking at the way you are here, and you are going to go, now lick it, lick me, now lick it, lick me. You not get pregnant. It is, man. Mama, and I get alpha. Oh, we are making what we are there. Hey, boy, we are coming, how you doing? Oh, God. Who does he? Won't back. If he put me over. Me buna if I cannot dig be. He ragmo. I never know happy when I want done. I know what I can't solo when I would do. And I want me the phone one more Buddha for. Here go. Oh, you're my yagi. Oh, my go. Oh, I had to go with you. More with your man. Dear man, more with your man. Who does he? Iyagbo J. But boy ya we ya ge Frank. Utin we ya yukuna e. Utiti ne giapi. Na we. Wo be mu edidi. Ya we ji. Ye go keno sunu na mo bogade o yelu. Wala. Hell. Oh ya damese. Eu no ya dame we 31 days. Ebi oge dokpa. We ya weta we mistake no. When we so na so ya me the mistake. Ebi go le have the one ne. Ikia wa ho. Especially ya na wa me period for ya wa revolution period. E meze sinya na wa kani. O wa revolution ikia wa ho ko ni ni wa sunda ya. Ikia wa ho gbe ya ga ye ni o gbe ya ga ye ni o. Gbe ga ye ni so ga blue fi ya fu do boyo yi. Or what did you take the cook? The beggar could not bring on give you. Come on, so no how you. I like a clear the big one, where you could on a margin. 31 days, 31 knocking. We are not doing. Who know what Jimmy will work on? Not here for 31 days. I don't know. I forget 31 women. 31 days. Umawe mu single, una ya double barrel. Ma ye go double no. Ekpo ye go say double barrel. Edutu, etiwolo. Ekpo ye na egedege ina. Oya he work we oshobole. Wonderful. Ari wa ye ekpo ye go. Uwa ye fa. Oni better hitter ovuno. Oni gbewa. You know ya ton ye. You go one laja wi ye go. You go nyok boni. Yego. Yego aki oza. We have a boy. I will be one of what they do with him at all. We have a ego on Latin we ego on Zeva. When I baking, and I will be ready. Oh, I'm we. Oh, God. Oh, dog on Latin we got dog on your D. Or dog also bondon. It's a no boy. You know, my sister. Agba okoto veyo. Aga mi do yo he. Agba okoto wo yego. O dogo mo maja wo yego. O ye na amene wiege na ya ko mo adabe mo. Ada wa bi mo no. Amene wiege ne ka boton gbini na ya ko mo. Eri amu amu yego wa yeze. O ye wiege. Eki awala o wa ko arin eri we kian mi o agwo kian mi ege egbo ya agwo sa lo boa umenwa udigbe umenwa udigbe egomoda wo na aye ki agwo ro umenwa udigbe uwe saka enwe na sakasha me umenwa usaka ye mu hegbe o da we no aveni korion menwa when I see what can you go in like isa lobo mengo digbi o hemi mu na mo yego na mo to gbi 52 years umenwe no bi amimi na me mai ka won una mo yego una vai wa eziza yego na so a change tune ona yeki awe kin obi wie boya la o he o ga ku yo si ayu wenu gya no yo baba Odazi àwọn àti wa go yere okunoro wozo una go agbuta go na ike abule na ike change ni ore o he ti change ni